but how should I describe this? Long continuous scene.
Yeah, it's just a long continuous scene, and we'll back it out. Kind of like freeze.
Kind of like freeze.
But me.
It's got soap opera elements, so it's very dramatic. So feel free to participate with going. And then a big twist happens, and it's.
Dang, your hand looks great.
Thank you. So that's how it goes, and it's gonna be fun, and you'll get it once we start playing. I'm not too good at it. What?
We need a name for the
Oh yes.
soap opera. Because that is the last.
Okay, we get the soap opera that has not been created as of yet.
As the stomach turns.
Yeah.
The day the sun sets. The sun sets. Yes. All right.
What is that name? I bet you're wondering why I asked you anything.
I've always been wondering why you asked me anything.
I know I haven't seen you since the accident. I thought it was important that we talk face to face, or face to half face.
It's true. I haven't seen your half of the face, and I'm kind of surprised by my lack of expression by the first time I saw it.
You know how bad this is for me? I try to smile and everyone thinks I'm smirking.
Yeah, you're getting a lot of office.
I need your help.
Why? Because the accident was my fault?
Yes! At the very least, you should help. She doesn't return my phone calls anymore. She doesn't even want to talk to me.
Wait, your sister doesn't even talk to you anymore?
I've been exiled from the entire family. You're the only one that even tries to talk to me anymore. The other one cut old ties. They can't stand the fact that their great nephew, whose twin brother is also in the family, is now faceless. He's taken my spot.
The other faceless one?
No, the one with the face.
Oh.
Just follow along here. It's quite simple.
Sometimes it's been confused because I mean there's, great Uncle Jim and he only has like the top half of his face. Great Uncle Jim, you're back!
I am back from the war. But as you can see, it has taken part of me. My top half of the face.
Oh,
that
thanks for
that. Yes. I got a grenade, and I was like, "What's that?" It looked like a plum, so I wanted to eat it.
Even those plums, it's like, get me that plum!
If plums weren't my favorite food, I would still have a heart. As you know, 17 years ago, I replaced my heart with a plum. So the plum juices would run through my Russian body.
It all started back when you were just in 3rd grade and your favorite clue character was Professor Plum.
Professor Plum. Oh, me and that man go way back before he became a token little figure that came in every box. He used to be my lover. Oh,
Hello?
is that you?
Is it you?
Plum. Professor Plum, the perfect alliteration.
It is the wife of Professor Plum.
What I said before.
I overheard it.
Oh
I heard it.
no. Oh no. Please forgive me for I cannot see. My own mistakes. Know your physical appearance. I don't even know where you are. Oh, please forgive me for my love back to St. Louis.
You can broke my family. You broke it apart. My husband has been looking for you for 15 years. He left me. He left the tiny plum children.
that, Cindy. Sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm going to cut with my machete.
Oh, that's fine. Ow. No, my heart.
Oh, you're right. There's only half.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't want to.
Oh.
Okay, you can come up.
Oh, great. Now I'm more like my brother.
Hello, stranger. I am Pear.
That's very cute.
Or do I look like some sort of flower? Yeah?
Yeah,
Well, what are you?
I'm a sister.
I can't believe it. I've been looking for a sister.
I hate my brother.
I hate my brother. Monsieur Plum!
You have a car?
Yes, I do. It's a Honda Accord.
You're being very sensual right now.
I'm right for the pickup.
Hey, got you a cell phone, bestie, buddy, lover.
That's what I'd like to hear. You stroke my fine, fine pear hairs. Go away
Forever,
forever to the tropics.
and just live there. I don't know.
Drive my Accord.
That sounds pretty cool.
I mean, I guess so. I don't know.
I mean, if you're up for it, I have money.
Before that, I have some unfinished business to take care of.
Where have you been?
Darling!
I may be just a banana, but I have feelings.
Well, listen, I may have just talked to a sister and fallen in love with her kid. And we're going to take my Honda Accord to a nice restaurant.
Well, you can't take the Honda Accord. It's in the shop. Because I put it there because I knew you were going to betray me for some of the more sexier fruits.
I didn't mean to split your heart in half.
You always make banana jokes around me, but how sensitive I get.
Especially when you're in your pajamas.
You're starting to become unbearable. This is not a marriage. It never was.
It was 4 years ago when I was just a plum.
Sometimes I worry you're going to start taking after your family and steal hearts, just like you stole mine.
Soft yellow.
No, don't pull me back in.
Just listen to my words. They'll soothe you. We are the family of fruits. We come from trees. We are the family.
No, I can't.
Oh no!
Now I told you, B, you weren't supposed to let him pull you back in.
I know, but he was really sensitive and nice, and he has really
You're
good
so
hair.
stupid. B, remember what we did? We did a role play. We did a role play. Do you remember the role play?
No, I'm better to do it again.
It's pointless now, though. You ruined it already. You're so stupid. You literally caused a class at Tokyo. Because you can't pick up after you're feeling down.
It's hard to try. You have no heart. Wish I'd never been born. Your daughter.
Well, then you can follow your father out the door.
You just don't know him like I do.
Your father was an apricot.
No.
Who
No.
lied and stole
I don't want to hear
and
this.
left. And you know what he did when he left? He didn't leave me any fruits. All I got is vegetables from him.
Water, I'm a fruit!
All I got is vegetables from him.
Maybe that's your problem. I can't help the way I was born. I have my father's fruit blood in me.
That's really unfortunate. You know what? If you want to be with that Pam man, oh come. You really want to be with Pam man? As long as you provide me with grand babies of nice fruity size, some fruity pebbles maybe, I will accept you. I will do it.
I can assure you I have many grand fruit babies, but some of them may be missing half of their faces.
She wasn't lying. They really are missing half their faces.
Help me with the bandages. I want to see if the operation is successful. Did it work?
Oh, you idiots. Then what? Oh, okay.
I just, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that is so unfortunate.
It's hard sometimes, man.
I'm fine. My life is good. I got pebbles on the way.
It just seems that, sometimes, like, with all these fruits running around,
Well, then,
babies, adults, there's just so much drama, It's like life gets to you, like a piece of fruit, sits out in the sun all day, and it starts rotting and melting away. There are some parts, like,
you had the scar tissue on your
Go.
It's unfitting.
there's some parts of northern Russia, right, where lovers and plums exist. And the sun doesn't set for months at a time.
Doesn't. That's sun.
Yeah, it's awful. And just imagine, it's kind of like life, Like, we get beat down all the time, and some of us lose half our faces, and some of us steal people's hearts, and, we're just always stuck waiting for the day the sun sets.
Yeah!